My dear viewers, what have you gotten for Christmas? I'm Busy Bee from Germany. I'm a long-time Barbie collector and a Barbie dog for almost 10 years. This channel is more than your one-stop Barbie repair workshop. Here's a little overview over what I have gotten concerning Barbie dolls for Christmas. I know I have not done no flea market today, no thrift shop today episode for a long time, but I have not bought very much in the last month. So this is the first episode for a long time, and I would like to show you in this episode what I have gotten for Christmas. So this is the first doll I got for Christmas. It's the Quick Curl Frenzy. Her specialty is that she has wires in her hair and she has the normal saran over it so that you can bend it like real curls. This is a very fragile construction from the early 70s, and these dolls are hard to find in good condition, but at least I got one of them now. The second doll I found for Christmas is a short flip Frenzy, this time the blonde edition. I also have a brunette one that I found in summer, but for Christmas I found a blonde one. By accident I also found a super size Barbie, and I bought her because I only have one of them. So I will explain you the mechanism how the hair function works in the next year. I'm going to cover this in another video, but I hope you also like the super size Barbie dolls. They are taller than the normal ones. They have 46 centimeters of size, and they are great to have, but they were only produced for a short time in the late 70s and early 80s, and then they completely disappeared from the market again, and that's one of these few dolls. So that's the last one of my Christmas presents. It's a wheelchair Barbie. I have already bought one last year, but this one came out this year, and she's black and she was available in Germany, and that's why I bought her. I think that's a crazy doll and it's a nice addition to my collection, although I'm not a big fan of the fashionista dolls, but I liked her and I bought her, and that's how she came to me for Christmas. So, my dear viewers, I hope you like this episode of the No Flea Market Today series. I hope you have gotten great presents too. Let me know in the comments, what have you gotten for Christmas? I hope you share, like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next weeks. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye!